Alan Holt joins us in for Ryan Breton today. So we've been talking about how Saturday is the nicer overall of the 2 days.
Colder but sunnier.
Well, I was going to say that's the point is if you're up early, don't expect it to be warm.
No.
It'll just be sunny.
And we have not hit freezing for over a week now. So cold snap,
we know it.
good way to describe it. Yeah, you mentioned the wind chill right off the top of the broadcast, and it's no joke. Up in the mountains, 20 to 30 below is how it feels right now. Many places are feeling the chill. It's 3 on the wind chill in Portland currently, 6 below in Sanford. Air temperatures are in the lower 10s, if not single digits, and sub-zero throughout the state. We've had a few light flurries or returns up to the north today, but snow is pretty meager throughout the state. This is the big storm that'll be developing tomorrow and then running up the East Coast over the weekend. It's going to deliver half a foot or more of snowfall to the Carolinas. It is going to thump that location as it moves to the north and east. It's going to be taking a track, though, that is too far away from the Maine coast to deliver snow. It's interesting, though, looking at the geography, the way the Maine coast is a bit concave between Nova Scotia and Cape Cod, which I think Cape Cod does get clipped with a few inches of snow from this system, but the low is going to be too far away from that 40-70 mark to really get into Maine with respect to snowfall. But it's a big storm, so the precip shield is pretty expansive. The wind field will be sprawling. I think 40-mile-an-hour sustained winds, the diameter of that is going to be about 1,000 miles across, and it barely gets into the coast of Maine. So we're thinking 30 to 40-mile-per-hour gusts near the coast, with less than that as you get inland. The snow will be unimpressive, a trace, maybe a few flurries along the coast, with maybe extreme eastern down East Maine, Lubec, Eastports of the world with a few inches of snow. But it's not going to be lucrative in the snowfall department. And the other thing about this is that it's going to churn the waves. Sunday afternoon, not so much, but into Sunday night, we could have some 10-footers lurking off the shore. And I wanted to just make the point that the wind is going to be howling. It'll be breezy from the northeast. So it's possible that a few locations get some freezing spray off of those bigger swells and the gustier north to northeast winds coming through. So there could be some slick spots because of that at the immediate coast and in locations that are prone to getting spray off of north to northeast breeze. There are already gale watches for the Gulf of Maine that'll kick in Sunday morning through Monday morning. Prolonged cold snap continues. Just gets breezier, more clouds on Sunday. That's why we're saying Saturday looks nicer, because it'll be sunnier, albeit cold. And perhaps not until Monday, Tuesday will we be flirting with freezing in the extended forecast. So it's cold and not warming up anytime soon.
All right, Alan, thank you.